Hello and welcome to my newest video. Today I'm going to take a quick first look at ChainMonsters. Now, what is ChainMonsters? ChainMonsters is the first Pokemon type Ethereum blockchain game. And what makes it special is that you can already play the demo. As you can see here, there's a screenshot on the website which depicts real-time multiplayer. And you can already play it, at least the demo, and I'm not quite sure if it's going to be the actual demo, if it's going to be the actual game, or this is how it looks like later down the line when they finish the actual game, or if it's just some kind of way of showing how this game might be implemented and playable. But basically, as you can see here on the screen, you can already use your web browser and you can basically play a Pokemon type game, and you can just enter a name here. Let me just call it Anki. And you can just go through these different conversations. You can choose your starter Pokemon, so to speak, or your starter chain monster. Let's say you take Pirago. I think these are separated or distinguished by the elements. So this is probably water, this is fire, and this is leaf or nature. And then you can just submit. And you have to basically pay a transaction, and then you can enter the game. Well, you don't really have to pay the transaction. You only have to do it for getting your chain monster for free, basically. So you only have to pay the gas price, I think. But basically it loads the game then and just takes some time because, as I said before, it's just the first demo right now. So we just wait, and until it's finished, I'm going to talk a little bit more about this game. So yeah, as I said before, it's simply one of the first Pokemon style games on the Ethereum blockchain with actual gameplay. So you will be able to run around the map, as you can see on the screenshot, and you can fight just anything you know from the normal Pokemon game, you know, from consoles or from any other type of console game play. So yeah, you will have the ability to actually also use multiplayer, so you will be able to run around with other players, or maybe just find them in the game. Maybe it's going to have like an massive multiplayer type of setup. You will have a battle system, also as you know it from Pokemon, for example, so you can fight or battle other players with your Pokemon or your chain monsters, so to speak. We have the ability to explore, quest, and catch other chain monsters. I'm always saying Pokemon because it's so similar to Pokemon. But as you can see from the screen and from the different features they're trying to implement, that it's going to be quite similar. I think it's still loading, so I might not be able to actually show you how it looks in-game, but it did work before for me at least. So yeah, it's basically this screenshot, and you can just run around right now, and you can interact with other non-player characters, with NPCs, so you can talk to them. You don't really have any other ability yet, you don't have any other thing to do in this game, but it gives you a nice impression on how this game is supposed to work. Now, right now, the only thing you can actually interact with next to the demo is you can go into the marketplace and you can buy these different chain monsters, as you know them from other crypto games as well. You can just basically purchase these digital assets from the marketplace, and then you can, well, most likely will be able to level them up by battling them, and you can just sell them for a higher price again. And as you know that the system from CryptoKitties, you have these different gen types. So you have Gen 0, you have Gen 1, you have Gen 2, and obviously the Gen 0 are most likely the most rare, so they're also going to be the most expensive ones. But yeah, right now, other than playing the demo on the website and interacting with the marketplace, buying one of these, which I'm not really advising you to do right now because there is not much more to do right now. I don't know if the game will grow in awareness. I don't know if the player base will increase. The game has been out for, at least the smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain has been out for around 14 days now. And there hasn't been too much activity, but I think just from looking on the website and looking at what the game wants to accomplish, and especially looking at the demo and just trying out the demo, I think it's worth to give it a try. And as I said before, the demo, except for the gas price, is free as far as I understood. So you can just check it out. Go on to ChainMonsters.io. I'm also going to post a link to the website in the video description and also in the comments. And I'm also just letting you know that, once again, please do your own research on this game. Please don't invest in this game what you're not willing or afford to lose. Don't take this as financial advice. Yeah, other than that, leave a comment let me know what you think about this game, and also leave a like if you like this video, and hopefully next time I will be able to show you how the demo actually works in another video. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Bye.